Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix can't enable or show language bar in Windows 10. Click Start, Settings. Click Time and Language. Click Language. 2 languages are added. Click Keyboard. Click Language Bar Options. Check Floating on Desktop. Check Show additional language bar icons in the taskbar and also check Show text labels on the language bar. Click Apply, click OK. Check Use the desktop language bar when it's available. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.